Hey guys, what's up? Doing a video on, this is a 95 F350 with the 7.5 liter, the 460 gas engine. Had a no start issue and kind of went through and diagnosed it, so I figured I'd make a video, see if it can help somebody in the future. So I bought this truck with a no start issue. Owner before me had pretty much done all the normal stuff that goes wrong on these, which was nice for me. So we did a new ignition control module, which is right down here on these trucks. It's definitely a good thought. That's a pretty common thing for those to go out on these. They're about 60 bucks. So that was my kind of thought when I bought the truck, was it was probably that. And then I got underneath here and saw that he had a brand new one. He also did a new coil. He did new distributor cap and rotor, new plug wires, new fuel pressure regulator. Trying to remember what else he had done on this thing. Quite a bit of stuff, try to diagnose that no start issue that we had. So I kind of went down the list, and everything I was thinking he had basically already done, with the exception of the distributor pickup. So what I had was the engine would crank and it would kind of stumble and stutter like it wanted to start, but it wouldn't start. So I looked into the distributor pickup here. They're about 60 bucks, I want to say, and then you got to take the distributor out and take the whole thing apart and reassemble it all and everything like that. Or for $130 you get a whole new distributor with obviously the new distributor pickup. It also comes with the new distributor cap and rotor. So I just went ahead and did that route. So it's pretty easy to pop the old distributor out of there, put the new one in there, and then at that point the truck fired right up, and we set the timing and we were good to go. So if you're chasing a no start issue with these, from my research, the vast majority of the issues are going to come back to either the distributor pickup or the ignition control module, which on these years is again tucked over there on the driver's side firewall. Some of the earlier ones, that ignition control module was actually right here on the side of the distributor, but they moved it due to issues with it getting hot. So again, just making this video. Hope this helps somebody in the future that has a no start issue with F150, F250, F350, or Bronco. Thanks for watching.